sanding down this key a little bit because there's a million scratches in it. I want all the scratches out. I want them gone. So I'm gonna just carefully get rid of them. They're almost all gone. Just in a couple of spots. They're like gouges. It's getting smoother and smoother. I should get a really good, what do you call it, sanding disc here and just go over it. But sometimes it's, I don't know, I like doing stuff by hand. It's like exercise and gives you something to do. It's getting a lot better. Gives it that personal touch. Like, you know what? I spent some couple hours messing around with this. You can't even see what I'm doing because goddamn Wilton Vise is in the way of the Wilton Vise. Yeah. The Wilton is in the way of the Wilton. And of course the Wiltons. Okay. I haven't pinned the key in yet. Let's see if this smoothing it out helps it a little, because I don't want to oil it all up just yet. No point in adding lube if I'm just gonna have to clean the damn thing off. Try that again. So I'm gonna mock it all up when I'm done and see how it goes. Yeah, here we go. Clean all this off. This right here. See how this slides in here. Good. See that? Ta-da! It's a little tight on the end. Not a lot of wobble. Perfect. Means I can still take out a little bit more. I'm not sure. I think it's down here. It catches a little. So I'm just gonna. Sure, there's 1,000 other ways to hand sand this, but I'm doing it my way. The middle was almost done. I'll hit it with the buffer too. I should use an electric sander. Just sing that song, gonna rock down to Electric Avenue. Yeah, right. Like I'm gonna start singing. My father was a good singer though. I asked him, how'd you end up singing? He says, there was a band. He just, his cousin or something started a band, and what do you call it? I think they started to sing. He tried singing, and he was the only one that didn't suck. From what I heard. Everyone else sucked singing. He was a good singer. You can hear his songs in the beginning of my videos. So anyway, I won't bore you with all this. I'll finish this, drill some holes, and get it going some more. Enjoy. Hello YouTube. It's me again, Mr. Wilton Franken Vise. Look at this. I actually got it to go right next to each other. I got it to go that far. What was the problem? Well, here. This thing. This key that I remade. Basically, the little trough in here is crooked. Inside there ain't no fucking straight either. I had to make the sides of these like thinner because apparently it gets hung up in there somewhere. So done. About freaking time. Next question is how am I gonna keep this in here? I'm thinking maybe a pin and some JB Weld or some thread lock or something. I'm gonna finish making this nice and smooth and flat, make it all perfect, and I'll just figure it out. And I'll stamp a date here. It says remanufactured 2021, and what do you call it? Then once this is done, I'm gonna vapor rust this whole thing, clean it off. I'm gonna polish this thing nice and smooth because it looks like it's Gone through hell and back. This one is nice and like, I don't know what the hell. Somebody looked like they had a flat disc or something on here. It looks like somebody took a grinder on it. Needs to be sanded nice and smooth, polished. So yeah, that's my next jig I'm doing on this thing. So like, subscribe, check out the folks below. Don't forget to subscribe, helps out, and thanks for watching.